Okay, so highlighting important text here in the stock market section. Let's look at Maribel purchased 2,000 shares of stock for $25.43 per share and then sold them for $44.10. Express her capital gain to the nearest tenth of a percent. So we first need to know how much she originally spent. Oops. So Tyler, can you be my calculator for how much she originally spent? Get us that number. And then Anna, can you be our calculator for when she sold them, how much she sold it for? And everyone needs a Desmos open either on their phone or on their computer because we are going to get to big formulas. Say it one more time. 50. I don't remember it being that big. Hang on. Could be. 800 what? Any cents?
No.
All right, and then Anna?
88,200.
And any cents?
No.
Okay, so it wants to know the capital gain as a percent, okay? So what happened here was originally we spent 50,000, but when we went to sell, we now have 88,000. So we gained more money. So if they asked you what the capital gain is, Alexander G, you're going to be my calculator this time. Will you please subtract those and see how much money did we make?
We got 37,300.
300 flat?
40.
40. And then I'm going to go back to Alex Salazar for our percent. So first of all, if they just say how much were her capital gains, it's $37,000. That's pretty good. But as a percent, you're going to divide it now for me, Alexander. 37,340 is what percent of her original investment? 50,860. So we divide by the 50,860. And so if you could be our final calculator, Alexander, 37,340 divided by 50,860, that's Salazar. So 0.72, 3. And then that would be 73%. So there's a couple ways I could ask you questions on the final. I'm probably not even going to ask the percent. I'm probably just going to have you calculate capital gains. But so you have to multiply the number of shares times the price of the original, multiply the number of shares times the sale price, and look at that difference. Is everybody okay with that concept of capital gain? Okay, we're on number 2, and Mina and Christian, you guys are going to help me out. Apple Corporation paid Leslie a quarterly dividend payment of $8.28, and Leslie owns 450 shares of Apple. What is the quarterly dividend for one? So the payment was for the total of 450. We want to just know per one how much it is. So actually just Mina, can you divide that for us? Does that sound right? I can't hear behind my plexiglass, Mina. Does that look right? All right. 184 per share was the dividend. Okay. Any questions on